Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and remove fonts in Google Docs. So basically, Google Docs is obviously owned by Google, and Google also happens to have another service called Google Fonts. So Google Fonts is a big library of web fonts that you could use to your own document. So if you want to get that, just go to the font menu here and then click More Fonts. After that, you can sort the fonts based on the type, or you can also sort by the language, but you can also use this search bar to quickly find the font that you want to implement to your document. Let's find something called Lexan. Okay, now when you have found the font that you want to add, just click on it and that will be added to the list of your font. And if you want to remove it, then you can click on it again, or you can also just click on this X icon. So the font will be removed. And let's add this font to our document. Click OK, and now that font is available and ready to use. Let's change the font for this particular paragraph. Let's find Lexan. It should be somewhere around here. Let's add medium, and there you go. Now this is a brand new font they're just implemented to my document, and of course, this would be available to every document, to every new document on my Google Docs account. So you don't have to manually add that font for every time you want to add a new document. So yeah, it's quite helpful to have access to thousands of web fonts from Google. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful.